Hi friends, today the topic is differentiator using operational amplifier IC741. Okay, so now the circuit diagram is this is IC741. It has two inputs, one is negative, another one is positive. Where positive term is connected to ground. This process is very similar to integrator, but where that input voltage is connected to negative terminal through capacitor, and where the feedback element is resistor, that is feedback, that is RF. But we are applying the input voltage to this point and the voltage drop across this V0. So apply the negative voltage at pin number 4. Apply the positive VEE at pin number 7. So this one is second pin, third pin, fourth, 7th, 6th pin. Okay. So this is the actual circuit diagram of differentiator using operational amplifier. So at input stage the current is II and feedback current is IF. Now we can calculate this branch current is IB minus. Due to virtual mode the value is 0. So at input current II is equal to IF. Okay, simply you are applying that node is VA. Okay, apply KCL at node VA. Node VA, that is equal to II is equal to IF plus IB minus. Due to virtual mode the current value is 0. So input current is the voltage drop, the current passing through the capacitor, that it can be represented as this. II can be represented as C into d by dt to that voltage. So that is voltage drop across capacitor, okay, with respect to time. So simply this IF value is, the starting voltage is VA and ending voltage is V0, by that resistance value is RF. RF value. Okay. From this expression, you know VA value is 0. Due to that virtual mode, this positive voltage is 0. Same voltage will drop across the VA. That value is 0. Based on this function, you can represent as V0 is equal to minus RF into C, that is D, where there is a voltage drop across capacitor, that it can be represented as, that is C into D. The starting voltage is VI, so that's why you can represent this VI minus ending voltage is VA, so the value is 0 by dt is equal to minus V0 by RF. Okay, from this expression V0 is equal to minus RF into C, the value is dVi by dt value. This is the relationship between input voltage and output voltage. Okay, so that is the meaning of this. The relationship between this output voltage is differentiation of input voltage. Differentiation of input voltage. The waveform for this expression is, at input stage, if you apply that value is step function. At output stage, we are getting that as the value is positive, result is positive, you will get negative. So V0 value in terms of this value is peaks. Differentiation of step value you will get, that is meaning of spikes. So simply you are getting impulse values. For negative you will get positive spikes. Like that you can get. Okay. So this is the meaning of that input is differentiation. Input is differentiation and output. So that is the meaning of this function. But in general expression of this differentiator, this is actual output voltage. That expression is, we are having the voltage drop across capacitor. we are applying that input value is Vi, so simply you are applying that Vi, and that resistance value is Rf, and that is connected to capacitor. Okay, so you can take this. Now we have to calculate voltage drop across resistor V0. From this expression, that value is V0 is equal to that current into that feedback resistance is RFL. Okay, then I is equal to Vi by that. Simply you can take that the reactance of the resistor is XR. This reactance of the capacitor is 1 by omega C. It is also called as 1 by 2 pi f C value. Okay. So in this expression, I is equal to voltage by that resistance value is R plus that reactance value. Simply you can take XR plus XC into that value is XR, where XR value is RF. Okay. Okay. So now you can find that value is V0 by Vi is equal to XR by XR plus XC value, where XR value is RF value as a feedback resistance, and simply you can take RF plus XC value is 1 by J 2 pi f C. That is the meaning of in terms of imaginary function. Now that function V0 by Vi is equal to RF is common, RF, and that value is 1 by, and denominator also RF is common, that is 1 plus 1 by J 2 pi f RF into C value. Like that you can take this. In this function you can substitute that at resonant function both XR is equal to XC, that value is R is equal to 1 by omega C, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi f C. From this expression, that f is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC value. That is the meaning of cutoff frequency. Simply you can take that FC or FR. From this function, the value is 1 by 2 pi RC value is replaced by this function, that is V0 by Vi is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by, so simply you can take that the value is, simply you can take minus J, that is 1 by J value can be represented as, this 1 by 2 pi RC can be represented as cutoff frequency FC, and denominator function is F. So this is the function of output voltage. From this function you can derive the expression for this is V0 V0 by Vi is equal to 1 by 1 minus J FC by FL. For calculating the magnitude function of this, V0 by Vi is equal to voltage gain in terms of modular function, that is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus FC by F whole square. In this case, based on this where F is variable and FC value is fixed. Fixed value in the meaning of that value is 1 by 2 pi RC value. Then the first case 1 is F is greater than, simply you can take that F is less than FC. That value is minimum. So simply you can take that voltage gain AV is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus, this value is low. Low value indicates that maximum by minimum is maximum. Maximum plus 1 you will get maximum. So simply you are getting the value is 0. Okay. We don't have some finite value, these values. And simply you can take another condition is case 2. F is equal to FC. That value is substituted in the above expression, that voltage gain is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus 1. Why? Because the FC by F value is that the value is 1 by root 2. The value is 0.707. In terms of decibels, the value is 3 dB. Okay. And the case 3 value is F is greater than FC. So simply the voltage gain AV is equal to So 1 by root of 1 plus 1 by maximum in terms of the f by maximum. So you will get minimum plus 1 value is mean, finally you will get 1. So for this case initially we have low and high. So simply if you take in terms of the characteristics function for this is on x-axis you are taking that frequency, that value is frequency is 0, simply you can take less than fc, at certain level you have fc value. So in this condition f is less than fc, you are getting the gain is low, but actually low in terms of 0, simply you can take this 0 value. Okay, next step, at certain level you are getting that value is 0.707 and the final value is 1. So like that you will get that general theoretical expression is this, and practical expression we are having minimum to maximum, that value is almost all minimum, and this one is 1 by root 2, this one is 1, like that you can take it. So in this condition you can't detect that 0 value at low function, that's why you have to add one resistor across one capacitor at the input function and one resistor at output function. So simply that total circuit diagram is redraw as this is value is positive terminal is connected to ground, and input better to take one internal resistor that is in series to capacitor which is connected to negative terminal, and take feedback element is RF value. Okay, then you can use one external capacitor, then only you can control the gain for all cases. That value is V0, CF, and this one is CI, and this one is RA and V0. So this is this circuit diagram is practical circuit diagram to get that each and every instantaneous point from starting to ending. Okay. And only you can eliminate the noise based on this expression. Okay. So this is the actual operation of differentiator using operational amplifier. Thank you.